Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Rafi West. I wanted to say a couple of things about, like, what are the toughest things about personal development? Um, for one, it could leave you pretty lonely because, not for nothing, but most people are pretty comfortable with being average. So if you ever get into any kind of personal development stuff, um, most people are content with the status quo. So a lot of people, when they become adults, they don't really read anymore. I'm saying most people, they don't read anymore. They start to get cynical, believe everything's a scam. Older people are stubborn too. It's much easier to teach or for a younger person to have an open mind. A lot of older folks are stubborn. Um, Sometimes you question yourself, is it even worth it, right? Because you're learning all these things and no one else around you seems to care, you know. And that could be challenging, but, you know, because you do a lot of things, like you don't imbibe, you don't want to imbibe. You don't even want to, you're not doing anything. You're always reading. You're staying away from maybe even masturbation. Um, you're staying away from vices like pornography, gambling. You know, personal development gets you on that path, on that kick. And not everyone's into it. A lot of people, like I said, they're very cynical. They don't believe in anything like that. They believe everybody's just out to take your money, any course, anything. Cynical, completely cynical. And we got to be careful because not everything is a scam. Not everything is a scam out there. You have to be open minded. I know it's tough. You have to work on subjects that you're weak on. For example, my weakest subject is history, so I want to like work on that. You know, so those are some. So it could be pretty lonely. I think that's the most thing about getting into personal development and learning and trying to improve all the time. Sometimes it gets exhausting also, because you got to find that balance where you just want to kick back. Like right now, I'm just kicking back, and you just want to chill out and enjoy yourself too. So it's not always go, 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 go. And personal development will teach you that it's not always go, 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 go. It's important to enjoy yourself and things like that. And, you know, it's hard. It really boils down to the loneliness of it because anybody you try and talk with about personal development, it goes in one ear and out the other, or they don't want to hear it, or they say, "Yeah, that sounds cute. That sounds cool. I'm gonna look into that," and they never do. So sometimes it's a complete waste of time. It's like talking with someone about investing. That's another subject that people don't really care. You know, just wasting your time. They ask you, you go out of your way to teach them something, or you know, explain something to them, and they don't really care. They act like they do, but they don't really care, or they distort what you're trying to teach them. But anyway, that's just my thought on that. My thoughts on that. Personal development can be lonely, but ultimately it's worth it because when you think of entropy, and the only way you fight entropy is through learning and improving and growth, you'll be much happier on that spectrum, the struggles of that, because it is a struggle sometimes learning and all that. that struggle than being average, imbibing all the time, taking the easy way out, never learning anything, being hooked to the news, things like that, watching what I call IQ lowering TV, Jerry Springer, things like that. There's entertainment also. There's entertainment value in those things, but most people have it like 90% entertainment and 10% education, or 95 and 5. And it should be the other way around. You'll be much more happier the other way around. But anyway, those are my thoughts on the pitfalls of personal development. And let me know what you guys think in the comments about it. Have you guys tried to dig in yourselves? And what's your theory on this? Okay, I'm curious to know who out there believes it's worth it, and you'll be happier on that side than the average or the lower or the mediocrity side, and being and conforming to that. Anyway, this is Rafi West, just giving you my thoughts on the pitfalls of personal development. Take care, everybody. Peace.